Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, aka Makeup Artist 27, and if this is your first time here, welcome back to my channel. And yes, make sure you do subscribe down below where it says subscribe. Make sure you do click that bell notification to get notifications when I do upload new videos. And before you leave, make sure you do visit my social media links, Makeup Artist 27 for Facebook and Instagram, and I'll leave it here for you guys. It's also linked down below. If you want to check it out, you can follow me. I'll be doing giveaways, I'm doing a bunch of stuff. I post pictures, I post quotes, everything you want to see. So let's go ahead and get started on today's video. If you do like the video, make sure you do give it a thumbs up. Today's gonna be a fun video because we're gonna do a try on of Fashion Nova. And I haven't done try-ons in a long time. My last try-on, it was Fashion Nova. I'll put it for you guys here so you guys can check it out. Some funky, I don't know. It was some really nice outfits that I got. So I have a couple stuff that I returned and I received a gift card and stuff like that. So now they have Afterpay. They have something else. It's something called something else, but they do have something for when you get something, and I think so. I don't know. Was it them? Yeah, I think so. I don't know if they have something for Afterpay, but check it out, guys. I love Fashion Nova and everything there. It's super nice. I just don't know if everything I got fits me, because sometimes it just doesn't fit, you know. My big dunk doesn't fit in there, so it just really depends. So I have two purchases that I have made. I'll, as soon as I get the prices, I'll link it for you guys, because I don't really know where the price is, because the tag is the one with the regular price. It doesn't have the sale price or the discount prices, because I use coupons. You gotta use the coupons, you know. So I'm gonna be showing you guys and then try it on and stuff like that. You already know. So two big bags. Alright, so I'm gonna show you first the first one I got. See, I haven't even opened it. I opened one thing. Jesus. Yeah, but I keep the receipts because you know. Oh. A lot of them were final sales, so I guess I can't return it. So I have the receipt, and ooh, they have like pamphlets now. What the heck is this? Okay, Fashion Nova, stepping it up. We have coupons here to use until September 30. I like that. So I guess I can return because there was only two stuff in here that I can return. The rest is just final price. So I can actually tell you the price. Let's go ahead with this product. Start with this product. We have the Check It Out Lounge set, and I thought it was so funky. I love the color. Ooh. It's like a set. Okay, we like that. Look at that. I love that. It's like a jeans set or something, in that workout set, whatever you want to call it. I got it on extra large, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, I got it extra large because I got a big butt. But yeah, in this size, the price for this was $17.50. Yeah, $17.50 for this. Amazing. I love that. So I'm gonna try it on and you guys are gonna check it out. Next product, we have a nice shirt right here. I don't know if this is gonna fit me or how is it gonna fit, but we have a silver print shirt that is pink. Super beautiful. It has like some wires. I thought it had wire. Oh, it has wire here. on the V. Alright, and let's see. This is the out of sight crop top, which is $10. This was $10. Not bad. And it's extra large also, because I have a big back, you know, and big boobs. Big back, big boobs. You don't know about that. Next item we have is a really neon pants. Really like neon pants. Like you're gonna get lost in paradise. And I don't know how this is gonna look. I don't know if I want this, but this is it was on sale too. This is Work It Active leggings, and these were $6.49. I just had to see if they fit, but this is the neon green pants. Let's see how they look, guys. $6.49. Next item we have it's PJs. We have PJs. I love these. I bought some last year. They were on sale and they're so comfortable. It's a one piece, and this one has coffee and chocolate and stuff like that, which is very Christmas. This was coffee, $7. It might have been more because I used the extra coupon on it, so yeah. I'm not sure about that, but $7, and it's amazing. It's so comfortable. You guys will see it in my other video. You're gonna see the other one, because I bought one the last time I tried it, Fashion Nova stuff. So let's see how this looks. All right, next item we have, you know your girl loves the cheetah print stuff. You know that. We have a shirt, super funky shirt. It's a strapless shirt. Is it? Yeah, it's a strapless. Okay, it's a strapless shirt, cheetah print strapless shirt, and this was. It's a $6.49. $6.49. Super cute. Let's see how this looks. All right, let's see the next item. I love this one because it's a set. It's like a tropical set. So this is the shorts, and then it comes with a set of like a strapless shirt with the arms wrapped up. And this was $12.50. This was $12.50. It's not bad for a set for $12.50. And from that last purchase, we have a set of cheetah prints pants. I just hope they kind of look big. So I don't know if they're gonna fit, but it's final sale, so I am fucked. Because the price for these jeans were $8.99. They may fit. I'm not sure. If not, donate, because I don't know if they fit. But these are the pants, It looks super funky. I love it. I just hope they fit. I'm not sure if they're gonna fit, guys. Next bag. These were all gift cards. Like, I returned some stuff and they don't do like they don't swap sizes. They give you a gift card. So this one I paid like $1. Like, everything was gift card and I just paid $1. If I'm able to open it, then I'll show you guys. Alright, I got it open. Got it open. This was like 3 items. It wasn't a lot. It's just a lot going on. Another coupon, I think. 25% off. This one didn't even bring you like this. The return stuff. So I can't return it, bro. There's nothing. Nothing came with. That's super bad. Alright, guess what? Another cheetah print stuff. I can't tell you the price because there's nothing that here that tells me the price. So those I have to get for you online and I'll give it to you guys. We have some leopard print leggings. As soon as I saw it, I was like, oh, so cute. See, here says $14.99, but I didn't pay that. It was something else. But these ones are extra large, and I love these. Love these so much. And then the other product that I have is 1C. Hopefully this one fits because it's extra large. The one I got last time that I showed you guys in a haul, it was a large, and it didn't fit me. I had to give it away. I don't know to who, but I'm gonna have to give it away. This one, it's like a cat. It looks like it can fit me, but it's so cute. And it's extra large, so I hope it fits. I hope it fits. Alright guys, so as you guys saw, those were the purchases I have made in Fashion Nova for the last couple weeks, month, or whatever. And yes guys, let me know what items you guys liked. Make sure you do subscribe. Make sure you do give a thumbs up if you do like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's see how this comes out. I hope you guys if you do like these videos, let me know. I would like to shop anywhere. I would like to shop in other places like Boohoo or Pretty Little Thing. Let me know where to shop and I'll make some shopping and I'll try it on. Let me know if you do like this kind of videos or try on hauls and stuff like that, because I like it. It just depends if I have the money to purchase, you know. If not, if they have Afterpay, then even better, because I love those Afterpay stuff. But so yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked the video and I'll see you in my next video.